I gotta do ya now. NEWLINK on the attack now. Bling a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know NEWLINK there and I'm from NEWLINK production. People, boy, Jamaica right now. It's really terrible. I just can't find words for just really talk about them. Something people too much. Just yesterday, Wednesday, people, to tell you, news has reached NEWLINK that Jamaica has recorded 8 murders that was confirmed, people. So there can even be more with them not confirmed. You know what I mean? And this, in this 8 murder, including even a national footballer, who play for a big club like BEF0RE people, and them said this youth in 2019 was also a member of Harbourview FC. Then he make a transfer to BEF0RE FC, and then in 2020 he go to BEF0RE. You understand? Even though he never met Jamaica teammate, people, but you still consider him a national footballer because he is playing in the region in the top flight clubs in Jamaica. And them said this youth was cut down in Greenwich Town, people. You understand? Alongside another youth, and plus 4 other persons were shot and injured. So 6 persons get shot, and these 2 managed not to make it out. And this footballer, young promising footballer, people, is just 22 years old. 22, and the man them take the youth life have a bright potential ahead of him. You know what I mean? Because who to tell me maybe 2 years time, because people keep on transferring him, getting him, buying him. You know what I mean? Who to tell few years down the line this man will be maybe in USA, in England, in Germany. You understand? Making all of this money can take care of your family and everybody, but in the end, some wicked and some cruel-hearted man just cut the youth life like that. Viewers and subscribers, this is what we have to face right now. This is the world we've been living in right now. You understand? You just don't know. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. It just sad, people. If you see the man them just taking you life like that, G0NE star. So you don't know the thing though. I just want to send out my condolences to the family of this youth. Very good footballer. You understand? Who goes by the nickname of Shaky. Oh my world. And to all his friends, his family, and may his soul rest in peace. Oh my world. G0NE star. Peace out, my viewers. Love.